I own a Kalashi for home defense, since that was the Mayland Veterans intended. 4 H.O.P soldiers break into my house.
The devil?
As I grab my En-Bloc magazine and the Kalashi Rifle, blow a golf ball sized hole through the first man. He's dead on the spot. Draw my pistol on the second man. Miss him entirely because it's uncleaned, and nails the Monosian Soldier outside. I have to resort to the Malashi Rocket Launcher mounted at the top of the stairs, loaded with H.E. rocket. Come and get me, bitch! The rocket shot shreds 2 men in the blast. The sound and extra shrapnel set off car alarms. Fix bayonet and charge the last terrified motherfucker. He bleeds out waiting on the police to arrive since rusty bayonet wounds are impossible to stitch up. Just as the Mayland Veterans intended.